Let's see how to track changes. For suppose example, a repository from the abapGit 2 it successfully pushed to GitHub. That means all the development objects were already it was transferred to a GitHub account, GitHub repository. After transferring of all objects from abapGit to GitHub repository, some developers after that they changed some things. At that time we can't it will not be done by automatically transfer from abapGit to GitHub. That means we need to track the changes what he had done after the push. Then after accordingly we need to commit it again. So that again whatever the changes may have been done after the push, we must commit them and we must push it again so that whatever the changes he had done by the developers will go whatever the development object done accordingly. Let's see the what's the things happening. This I am taken the gmdg underscore abapkit package is also same. This package was already pushed before itself. You can see in the GitHub repository as well. It contains some development objects. Even though contain development objects, after that some developer had made changes. So we need to track the changes and we need to bring those changes to GitHub repository. So let's go to the abapkit. Here you can find once you open means. Let's see gmdg underscore abapkit what are the changes he have made. After even though after the push was done from abapgit to GitHub to give the token. Here you can see after the push was done there are many changes done by the developers. One program got deleted. See you here the red symbol you can see it got deleted one of the program and new program also they created that's showing in the green color. It's saying that a new program was added created newly. And one more thing is that yellow color button. It the code got changes or like they changed the any lines of code. It's showing the difference. Here, if you click on the difference, you can see the code changes. See, local there is updated the new code. Actually, before code is like gmdg underscore abapkit, but after changes were done, it's showing like new underscore 20. This is the difference after the line they updated. If we go back, this is the new program they were created, and this is the program they got deleted the program. So, as these changes were made, we must transfer these from abapkit to GitHub repository. So we need to say that like we need to stage again. So as these items were separated, why? Because these items are already pushed for the previous time. But after the push, as developers have deleted the code, it need to be deleted from the GitHub as well, GitHub repository as well. Why? Because that previous work was modified, so previous works need to be updated. So the things happening, files to be removed or non-code, and what are the things they are showing. They as remote repository not matching. They should balance now from what the remote system is maintaining and our SAP logon system. So same development object will be present. So now we are commenting whatever the new changes were made. These three. Click on add all and commit. Checking of changes. Click on commit. See, now it got balanced from the or SAP logon system and remote repository GitHub. It now every objects are in parallel. There's no more any new things were done. Both having same objects. SAP logon and GitHub repository. Now we will check the GitHub. Refresh this tab. If we go to the repository, see if you go click on commits, see what are the comments we have given. It's called game. What are the things they had done? It's showing the log. As we previously discussed that the line got updated new underscore 20 before it was with there like gmdj underscore abapGit. What are the new things were done? They got updated over here. This is the way of to see the track the changes even after push was done. As automation is not there, we must track the changes. See, let's see. Yeah, see, this is the program they were newly created. Tracking of changes. Whatever the comments they are maintaining, these are the new things which came into the GitHub account. Sandeep and tracking of changes. This is the new things which we have commented. By comments, we can say that like new things were added. This is the process of tracking the changes even after push and taking of action like staging and committing to again to make the balance between the make balance of objects between our SAP logon and GitHub repository. It's all about tracking of changes. Thank you.